John was a 20-year-old young man living in a small town. He was intelligent and capable, but he had one big problem: he wasted his time. Every morning, John woke up late. While his friends and neighbors started their day early, John stayed in bed scrolling on his phone. He watched videos, chatted with friends, and played games for hours. His father often told him, "John, time is precious. Don't waste it." John replied lazily, "Don't worry, Dad. I have plenty of time. I can do my work later." This had been his habit for years. If someone asked him to study, he said, "I'll study tomorrow." If someone suggested helping others, he said, "I'll help next week." He believed life was long and he had countless days to do whatever he wanted. But time, unlike money or toys, does not wait. One day, John's friend Michael told him about a part-time job opportunity in the city. "John, you should apply for this job," Michael said. "It will give you experience and some money too." John replied lazily, "I will apply later. Maybe next month." Michael didn't wait. He applied immediately and got the job within a week. He started earning, learning new skills, and building his confidence. By the time John thought about applying, the job was already gone. John felt disappointed, but he comforted himself. "It's okay. I'll get another chance later." But opportunities never wait for those who waste time. One morning, John's father spoke seriously. "John, you are wasting your youth. Time is like flowing water. Once it passes, it will never return. You think you have years to spare, but life is short. One day, you will regret every wasted moment." John laughed and replied, "Dad, I am still young. Don't worry. I will do things in my own time." But deep inside, he felt a small doubt. Could it be that his father was right? Months later, the college announced a scholarship competition. The winner would get a chance to study abroad for free. Michael started preparing immediately. He read books, practiced writing, polished his speaking skills, and worked day and night. John, on the other hand, delayed his preparation. He watched movies, played games, and spent hours on social media. When the day of the competition arrived, John felt nervous. He had done almost nothing to prepare. Michael, confident and well-prepared, gave his best performance. When the results were announced, Michael had won the scholarship. He was going abroad. John, who had wasted months, was left behind. That night, John cried alone. He had lost a golden opportunity because of his carelessness. John looked at himself in the mirror and whispered, "I wasted so much time. I lost chances, respect, and my future. I was careless, lazy, and foolish. But from today, I will change." He made a decision that he would never waste time again. He would learn discipline, focus, and the value of every second. The next morning, John woke up early. He created a strict timetable. Study for 3 hours in the morning. Practice skills for 2 hours. Exercise daily. Read motivational and educational books. Limit time on phone and social media. The first week was difficult. Old habits tried to pull him back. He wanted to sleep late, watch movies, and play games. But he reminded himself, "John, every second counts. Don't waste your time." Slowly, he developed discipline. He started feeling more confident, energetic, and focused. Weeks turned into months. John noticed his life improving. His grades in college improved significantly. Teachers praised him for his focus and dedication. His friends were surprised to see his change. He felt proud of every small achievement. John realized that progress comes from consistent effort and proper use of time. One day, a company announced internships for students. John applied immediately. He prepared his resume, practiced interview questions, and went confidently. This time, he was selected. The company appreciated his discipline and dedication. He learned new skills, worked with a team, and gained valuable experience. John understood that discipline and proper time management opened doors that laziness had closed before. John's journey was not easy. There were times he failed. Sometimes he missed deadlines. Sometimes he struggled with difficult tasks. But every time, he reminded himself, don't waste your time. Learn from mistakes and move forward. He became persistent. He learned that failures are part of life, but wasting time only makes failures permanent. Years passed. John completed his studies and got a well-paying job. He became known for his punctuality, hard work, and dedication. His colleagues trusted him. His boss gave him big responsibilities. John thought about his past and smiled. He had transformed his life through one simple principle: don't waste your time. John didn't forget his past mistakes. He wanted to help others learn the value of time. He began visiting schools and colleges, giving motivational speeches. He told students, time is your most valuable asset. Spend it wisely. Don't waste it on unimportant things. Use your time to learn, grow, and build your future. Students listened, inspired by his story. John realized the real value of time is not just in work or study. It is also in spending time wisely, helping others, and learning from experiences. He often said, time wasted can never return, but time used wisely can change your life forever. Don't delay your dreams. Start today. Years later, John became a successful businessman. He owned a company, helped employees grow, and inspired young people. He never forgot the boy who wasted time. He often told himself, remember the lessons of your past. Life is short, and time is precious. John also mentored young people about discipline, focus, and the power of using every moment wisely. John's life became a living example of one principle: don't waste your time. He taught people that time is life. Wasting it brings regret. Using it wisely brings success. Every second counts. He ended his speeches with this line: use your time today. Don't wait for tomorrow. Every moment is a chance to build your dreams. Moral of the story: time is the most valuable resource in life. Laziness and procrastination lead to missed opportunities. Discipline, focus, and proper use of time bring success. Start today, because wasted time can never return.